Okay, this is the new ramp at Tim and Leslie's in the backyard. There was a new small ramp built to connect the addition to the new screen porch, and then another new ramp built that will go from the screen porch out to the new patio. So Tim's going to take his inaugural ride. First of all, he's going to go down the new little ramp to the porch.
You ready?
Hang on, Tim, let me get inside here.
He's ready.
He's ready.
I'm
Okay.
revving it up.
Come on, Tim. Out here in this cool breeze.
Yeah. This is beautiful.
Look at there. Perfect, perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think I'm gonna be out here a whole lot.
Out of the new screen porch, making a turn on the ramp that goes to the patio. Oh yeah. Plenty of turning radius.
And drive straight. This is amazing. This is amazing. Thank you.
Okay. Excellent.